Hello guys, welcome back. Now in this video I want to explain you what are the AWS managed AI services we have. Let's say I have a speech. Now I want to convert that real-time speech into the text. I want text from that particular speech. Is there any service available in AWS for this task? Yes. So what is that service, sir? That service name is Transcribe. What is that? That's a transcribe. Why we use is we use to convert speech to text. From natural speech, now I have text. Now what I'm expecting is I want to analyze this text, and from that text I want to identify language of that how the text will be, and what are the labels which are present in it, and what are the named entities that are present in it. I want to recognize those, and what is the overall sentiment, like the whole text, or this whole text is a positive related or negative related or neutral related. Those things I want to identify. Do I have any service available in AWS? Yes. That service name is Amazon Comprehend. You can use this Amazon Comprehend service to analyze the text and identify these all things. Let's say I analyzed the text that I have. And after analyzing my text using this comprehend, I understood that this is not an understanding language by me. Or you can say the text which is not understandable to me, that is the language of it is, I don't know the language of that text. So what I'm expecting is I'm expecting to convert or translate that text. So for translating, do I have any AWS managed AWS AI services available in AWS? Yes, I have a AI service that can able to translate text from one language to other. So what is that services? That service is Amazon Translate. You can see here, this is that service. Now let's say I have a text. Now I want to express that text in the form of a speech. So I need to convert this text to speech. Then for this, do I have any managed AWS AI service I have? Yes. I have this Amazon Polly. You can use this to convert text to speech. In real time, we might have data present in documents as well as images as well. Some images with a text. So like that also possible in real time. If you want to extract text from the images, then you need to use Amazon Rekognition. You can use this service in order to extract text from images. Let's say I have a document and I want to extract the text from the document. During that time, you need to use this Amazon Textract. This service will provide you text from the documents. Even sometimes I might have a requirement to analyze or search inside document content. So during that time, I need to convert that into text, and inside the text, I need to search. Let's say, do I have any service or AWS managed AI service that can able to directly perform this document based search? Yes, we have a service that is Amazon Kendra. We can use this service in order to perform document based searching. Till now we discussed about service level services, like the service which can able to provide some other service. Now let's discuss at application level. That means what are the services which can able to serve at application level. Now let's say for my application I want an end to end interacting chatbot. So by using what service I can able to create such end to end chatbot, where the chatbot need to utilize all the other, like what are the discussed managed services we have. So it need to utilize those services, and it need to create me a chatbot for my application. I just need to provide my prompt, like I require this type of chatbot. Then I also provide like a flow, like how the interaction will be. Like I say this message, then I'll get that response. So like that, I'll also explain like how the interaction will be. So after explaining all this or after providing all these details, I need some service where it can able to create an end-to-end chatbot. Do you have any such service or AI service available in AWS? Yes. What is that service name, sir? Amazon Lex. This Amazon Lex service you can use in order to create an end-to-end chatbot by just providing or by just configuring how your chatbot you are expecting. After configuring how you are expecting your chatbot, this Lex will create you that end-to-end chatbot directly for you. Let's say I have some storage, personal storage, like it may present in S3 or Microsoft Office or some other apps. But I want some AWS managed service where it acts like an assistant to me. In order to answer my query, it need to search inside my personalized storage and it need to provide me the response. So like that, any AWS managed service do I have in AWS? Yes. You have Amazon Q, it can able to serve for such scenarios. Not only that, it also help you or assist you for your project related coding, documentation or some other things as well. It will provide you directly like whatever the comments that you need to implement or how to manage your project and maintain your project, create your project, everything related to coding or anything assistance will be provided by this Amazon Q. It acts like a fully managed RAG solution. That's actually a advanced concept in AI. If you are learning ML and AI, then you can able to understood like what is the RAG and advanced concepts of RAG. In background, this Amazon Q will implement that fully managed RAG solution for you to provide these services. This is just for information. Let's say you are a developer or you are a AI expert, then so during that time you have a requirement for orchestrating your model, either it may be ML model or Gen AI model. You want to orchestrate your model. So for that, do I have any service available in AWS? Yes. You can able to manage end to end Gen AI models or ML models from AWS itself. So like let's say I don't know like coding, that AI expert who are expecting to orchestrate their models don't know coding. They want to manage through console. Do I have such flexible options like building and deploying as well as storing as well as managing the model? So those all facilities are provided by any one of the AWS service with no coding. Yes. Such one of such service is Bedrock. You can use this in order to manage or orchestrate your model end to end your model deployment till creation, deployment till delivery. You can able to orchestrate your model, either it may be ML or Gen AI, without using code from Bedrock. Using this service, you can able to manage or orchestrate your models. Let's say I want that interface related like console related access to manage my model, as well as I am a developer and I have knowledge to code my model, or I have knowledge to how to write code to get access the models which are already available. Then during that time, if you want to manage your model either by using code or from console, so for that you also have a platform that is SageMaker. The SageMaker will provide you the both opportunities. You can manage your model, whereas this SageMaker is an like a advanced version of managing or orchestrating your models than this Bedrock. In Bedrock we have some models like predefined models are there, like set of predefined models are there, you can use them, or if you want to create a new, then from console itself you need to create them. But here they provide you in SageMaker, they provide you notebooks, same like a Google Colab notebooks. They provide you the notebooks where you can use those notebooks and you can able to create your own model, or use already available pre-trained models, and you can able to train them, fine tune them, and you can able to deploy them as well from SageMaker notebooks directly. And this also provides you multiple services for managing the hosted models, like ground truth you can able to identify, and you can able to see other things as well for evaluating your model that you created and improve it further in SageMaker. So those all available in SageMaker. Now let's say I want human based tasks. Like for example, I want to check my input quality. So while creating your model, the quality of data that you are using for training your model is very important. So during that time, that quality checking, like input data quality, and a person need to rectify if there will be any some mistakes or quality in the data. Such a human task, you can able to make it done by using one of the AWS service like Amazon Mechanical Turk. In this, what you will do is you will create a task so that inside this uh, there is another session like other persons, they also create an account in this Mechanical Turk where they'll see what are the tasks available and what is the budget that is allocated for the task, and that person or whoever accepted the task, requested for the task and accepted the task, those can able to perform that task and able to get that reward, or you can say that money related to that task, and the task will be completed for this person who assigned that, and for the person who done the task, they'll get that money credit. So like that, those two tasks can able to done by using this Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now let's say for performance, for high performance, human based reviews or human based analysis or human based scoring analysis is very required for a ML model. So after creating your model, or after getting the response from your model, in order to check your model response and actually human response, like how that response will be. So for that groundedness check, for that human analysis task, we have one more AWS service, that is Amazon Augmented AI. So this contains this as one option. So in order to perform this human based analysis task by using this Amazon Augmented AI, we have multiple options, like from your company itself, like you can take a half billion of users, or you can say workers or employees which are present in your company, can able to do that human analysis, or the workers or you can say employees which are present under Amazon, already employed persons, they can have ability to do that task or human analysis based on your choice, like whatever choice you chosen. So among those two, anyone can able to do that. And you have third option, like you can able to provide your work to this Mechanical Turk. So if you choose this option, then outside the persons, like who can take that particular analysis task, they can able to perform that, and they can take that money, and they can provide you the expected results for you. So that is one of the option. And at last, so under managed AI services which are provided by AWS, this is the last one, like personal recommendation model. Let's say you have a system, or let's say you want a system where it need to provide some personal recommendation based on the history, based on the history of knowledge. I want a personalized recommendation model. Then do you have any such service available in AWS? Yes. So what is that service, sir? That is AWS Personalize. What is that? AWS Personalize. So you can use it as one of service. it can able to provide you personalized recommendations. It acts like a personalized recommendation system. So these are all the AWS managed AI services currently providing by AWS. In future, the count might increase based on the real-time requirement, but these are the currently using or providing AWS managed AI services. So if you see like speech to text, you have this transcribe, and if you want to convert text to speech, then Polly is there for you. And if you want to perform document based directly search, you have this Kendra, and image to text, you have this recognition, and document to text, you have this Textract. Whereas after getting the text, if you want to analyze this, you can see Comprehend is there. For the text, if you want to do translation, then this Amazon translator is there. Then end-to-end model deployments, or before going to that, end-to-end chatbot creation. For that, you can see Lex is there. You can just provide the prompt so that, or you can say you just need to choose the configurations which are you are expecting for your bot need to have. Then this Lex will create that type of chatbot for you, and then personalized or storage related AI assistant. This queue will act like that, or project related Gen AI assistant also. This queue will help you like that. But for this, if you want to use, then you need to upgrade your plan. Basically, it was under developer free tier. If you want to get like these type of assistants, then you need to upgrade your plan based on your requirement. Then related to managing or orchestrating your model from end to end without using code, directly from console only, then you can choose this Bedrock. It provides you all those facilities. If you are expecting over than this, I want more facilities where I can able to code and I can able to create my model, manage my model, and do anything like inferencing. So those all you can able to done by using the SageMaker service. And at last, human related tasks, if you want to make them done from AWS by using persons, like persons need to done those tasks, then you can post those tasks in this Amazon Mechanical Turk, so that those tasks will be done by humans only. Let's say you have human analysis related task, but you're expecting to make them done from your company employees or AWS based employees, or from this mechanical trunk related persons. Then so if you are expecting to choose among all those to perform this task, then you need to choose this Amazon Augmented AI. And at last, you can see for personalized recommendation system, you can use this Amazon Personalize. So this is all about AWS services or managed AI AWS services. I hope you understood this video and you got some knowledge from this video. If you feel this video is useful, then please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. See you back in the next video with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye, guys.